Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix failed to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126 in Windows 10 or 11. First things first, you want to click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. Then in the Settings menu, you want to click on Apps. In the search box, just type Gaming Services and click on the top result, or the result that is connected to gaming services. Then, access advanced options by clicking on Advanced Options. Lastly, if you are on Windows 10, just simply click on the Repair option. But if you are in Windows 11, just click on three dots and select Advanced Option, then click on Repair. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.